In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add someone to a workspace on Trello. Whether you're collaborating on a project or just need extra hands on board, inviting someone to your Trello workspace is a straightforward task. Let's dive into the steps together and I'll guide you with clarity and precision so you can bring new members into your workspace with ease. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Trello website by typing in trello.com. Once the page loads, look for the Login button, which is usually found in the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on it. Logging in gives you access to your Trello account, which is essential for managing your boards and inviting new members. You can choose to log in using your email address or your Google account, whichever is more convenient for you. Enter your credentials, and once you're logged in, you'll land on the Trello homepage. From here, you'll want to navigate to your boards, which you can find in the menu at the top of the screen. Click on Boards to proceed. Now locate the Your Workspaces section. This is where you can see the various workspaces you belong to. Depending on how many workspaces you're a part of, you might need to scroll a bit to find the right one. Once you've spotted the workspace you want to invite someone to, click to enter it. Within this workspace, you'll need to select the specific board you're interested in adding members to. Once your board is open, look for the Members button, typically found in the menu bar at the top or on the side panel of your board. Click on Members and you'll begin to access options for managing your team. In this section, you'll see an option to invite workspace members. Clicking this will lead you to a screen where you can enter the Trello username or email of the person you'd like to add. This feature is handy whether you're adding someone who's already familiar with Trello or introducing it to a new user. After entering their username or email, their profile should appear in a list. Click on the member's name to confirm the invitation. Alternatively, Trello gives you the option to invite people by generating a unique link. If this method suits you better, click to create the link, then simply copy and share it with the person you want to invite. Finally, once you've either selected a member or generated and shared a link, look for the Send Invite button. Click this to send out the formal invitation to your workspace. With that, you've successfully invited someone to your Trello workspace. Keeping your team members on the same page has never been easier, and you are well on your way to enhancing collaboration within your team. Thank you for joining me, and happy Trelloing.